show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. Basically, we are coming out with a new brand cookbook, which is gonna be said Chef Ricardo Cooking. Anyway, the one who's gonna say Chef Ricardo Cooking, all of these recipes on my YouTube channel are gonna be in this cookbook, because a lot of people say, oh, Chef Ricardo, we want to see a book of your YouTube channel. So this is what's gonna happen. We're gonna publish a new book with all of these recipes inside of this cookbook. Inside of this book, we're gonna put all of those recipes, up to 200 pages gonna be in the book. 200 recipe, you're gonna love it, guys, and it's just something which can be benefit you and your family and kids at home also. So guys, look forward for this new brand cookbook which Chef Ricardo will be coming out very soon with, and hopefully we'll just enjoy it. And also subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. It's gonna be, you will get some more information soon as we goes along with the cookbook. So I want to say thank you so much, guys, and as I remind you that at the moment we are 50,000 subscribers, and we want to say thank you so much, guys, for your subscribing and for the time watching my video, and also for the time leaving comments. It's just amazing. Thank you so much, and it is brilliant. And I want to take the time to say thank you. Me and the team couldn't do nothing, just you guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.